Hello guys, this is chemistry lesson number 8 and we're still continuing the topic we started yesterday, and this is the structure of the earth. The structure of the earth. So in the previous lesson I talked about the core, and the core has two divisions, the inner core and the outer core, and the major elements in the core are iron and nickel. So allow me to proceed to talk about the other major parts of the earth, which are the mantle and the crust. Starting with the mantle. The mantle is made of rocky materials. It is made of rocky materials, and in terms of thickness, the thickness is 2,900 kilometers. So this mantle is very thick, 2,700 kilometers. That's really a big distance. The mantle is composed mainly of iron, silicon, oxygen, and magnesium. So there are four elements which are mainly found in the mantle. These are iron, silicon, oxygen, and magnesium. Iron, silicon, magnesium, all these are metals, and oxygen is a non-metal. However, the main compounds in the mantle are called silicates compound. So this silicates compound, it's a combination of silicon and oxygen atoms and also other atoms, but mainly there are these silicon and oxygen. Silicate from the word silicon. The mantle is very hot, approximately 1500 degrees Celsius. So here should be degree Celsius, at a depth of 2,000 kilometers below the earth. The mantle is very hot, right? And the temperature of the mantle is approximately to be 1500 degrees. And this is at the depth of 2,000 kilometers. So going down from the earth's surface, going down after 2,000 kilometers is where we find the mantle, and the mantle with the temperature of 1500 degrees Celsius. The temperature is above normal melting point of the rock, but pressure keeps it solid. The temperature of the mantle is above the normal melting point of the silicon, of oxygen, of magnesium, but pressure created by the materials which are pushing on them keeps the mantle solid. So the upper mantle nearest the crust is core. So the mantle, in other way, also have two divisions: the upper mantle and the inner mantle. And the upper mantle, which is near the crust, is cooler and it is under less pressure. And this allows the local materials to behave like a very thick liquid, and it flows a little like toothpaste. Finally, let's look at the crust. The crust is made from much cooler rocks than the mantle. Much cooler rocks. The crust, that's where we are stepping on. That's the crust. So the substance or the rocks there are cooler. Had it been that the rocks were very hot, then we wouldn't be able to step on those rocks. But because the rocks are cooler, that's why we are able to step on. So the miners and cavers, those people who mine like ores, other metals, or those cavers, can feel an increase in temperature as they go down into the earth crust. So when they are drilling, they can see the change in temperature, or they can observe the change in temperature. Remember, on the earth's surface, the temperature are low. So as they are going down into the earth crust, the temperature keeps on increasing up to 1000 something when they reach the mantle. So that's about the mantle and the crust. Thank you very much.